session is all about bodyweight training. So we'll be moving our body from one pose to another. Of course, there'll be yoga poses which will be involved, but it's a pretty dynamic session and pretty sweaty also. So if you feel like coming down in any pose, in any exercise, you can definitely come down. And for those people who are new to our channel, we would like to welcome all of you to Bodsphere, where we want you to stay healthy, fit and happy. So that's our sole purpose, that's our sole objective, and let's all get started now. So today's session we'll be starting by warming up our wrist, because we need to open up our wrist, we need to make them more mobile and flexible. So we will start from the tabletop position, so in which the wrists are right below the shoulders and the knees are right below the pelvic region. So in this position itself, let's start going back and forth, very slow and gentle movement before we make it a little dynamic. So keep moving back and forth. You will start feeling the stretch around the wrist, around the palms. For 10 seconds, let's keep moving. So you have to synchronize all the movements, all the exercises with your breath. There should be complete, synchronization between the body movement and the breath. And from here itself, you may gently reverse the palms. So it's always good to stretch the wrist. And let's sit and let's all relax our hips on the heels. For only 5 seconds, let's hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start going back and forth. So you have to make sure that your elbows are straight and they are not getting bent at all. For only 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all gently come back to the center. And now let's all reverse. So once again, let's go back and simply relax the hips on the heels. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the body goes back and forth. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come back to the center. And from here itself, let's start randomly placing the palms. So you have to go in all the directions possible and just be very, very random with the placement of the palms. So it's like you are giving shock to the palms, not literally, of course. So for 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here itself, let's take our legs back to go in the high plank or the palm plank. Let's stay over here for another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse your feet now and let's stay over here. So right now you are engaging your ankles also. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently place your elbows on the floor. You can adjust your feet as per your height. Just make sure that your body is in one flat plane. For another 20 seconds, let's hold. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. My countdown is slow, isn't it? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep your tummy tight. 2, 1. Place your palms back on the floor and the body will go in the mountain. So we are in the mountain now. So keep pushing the spine in as you rest your heels on the floor. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your elbows on the floor to come in the dolphin. So you can gently bring your feet a little closer and let's stay over here. For only 10 seconds, let's hold. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your body up to come back in the mountain. You can adjust your feet accordingly. And let's stay over here for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start going up and down in the mountain to dolphin for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's all come back in the palm plank. You can adjust your body accordingly. Let's not give up. So for another 15 seconds, we are going to hold. For 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start twisting your body in the palm plank itself. So left and right like a wiper. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here itself, place your left palm on the left side in front of you itself. Pivot and let's take our right arm up. And let's stay over here for another 10 seconds. Your right foot is rested on the left foot. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your right palm back on the floor and you may gently switch to the opposite side. So the left arm goes up and let's hold in the side plank for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Body well engaged. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left palm comes back on the floor. And the body goes back in the palm plank. Sorry, the mountain. And let's stay over here. So our body is back in the mountain. For only 5 seconds, let's hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, the palm plank position. You can adjust your body. And from here itself, as you exhale, shift your body weight a little forward to go into Chaturanga. And let's stay over here in the Chaturanga for a few more seconds. Let's all stay over here. And as you inhale, lift your body up to come in the upward facing dog. And let's all look up, 45 degrees up, and let's hold for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start swinging our body from left to right in the upward facing dog for few more seconds. So keep distributing the weight around the shoulders, around the palms. Your thighs are not rested on the floor, your knees are off the ground. And let's hold for only 3 more seconds in the upward facing dog. Let's stop the swinging for 3, 2, 1. And the body goes back in the mountain. Once again. For only 5 seconds, let's hold. Keep pushing the spine in. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come in the palm plank position and let's all rest the left elbow on the floor, pivot on your feet, and let's take the right arm up. And let's stay over here in the side elbow plank. Your right arm is straight up and your feet are stacked right above each other for 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First, place your right palm on the floor, pivot on your feet, and using the right arm strength, lift your body up, and let's go onto the opposite side. So, the right elbow is placed on the floor, the right forearm is on the floor, and the left arm is straight up. For 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First, place the left palm on the floor, pivot on your feet, and using the left arm strength, let's all come back. And the body goes back in the mountain once again. For only 5 seconds, let's hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your knees on the floor as you stretch your arms to come back in the child's pose. And while taking the support of your palms, you may come back to sit in Vajrasana. So, in Vajrasana itself, let's all take our right arm over the right shoulder. So, I will demonstrate like this also. And the left arm goes back, and let's see if you can hold on to the palms. In Gomukh, for only 10 seconds, it's always good to stretch the shoulders if we have utilized them during the session. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently switch. So the left arm goes over the left shoulder. And let's hold on to the palms from behind for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently release your palm and let's all place the right palm on the left thigh and let's all look back. For only 5 seconds, let's hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's all switch. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come back to the center and let's all stretch our arms by our side, arms parallel to the floor. And here itself, let's start with the shoulder movement. For only 5 seconds. 5, 4. You might hear some clicks in your shoulder joints. 3, 2, 1. And let's place our palms on the shoulders and let's gently bend the body towards the left side. And let's stay over here only for 5 seconds. Very small, very slight bend. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may switch to the opposite side. Just a slight bend. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The body comes back to the center. And let's start with the front and side movement. Just to relax our shoulders a bit more. For 5, 4. Your elbows should touch each other. 3, 2, 1. And you may gently relax your palms on the thighs. So this was a short body weight training which you can do every single day to actually work on your tummy, to actually work on your arm strength, your shoulders, and it works on the entire body. And in some poses you might feel like coming down, but it's always good to do this particular flow every single day. And this way you're also stretching your hamstrings, you're also working on your legs. And it is one of the best workouts or the body weight trainings that you can do every day to feel better and to feel a lot more stronger from within. So we really hope that you guys enjoyed the session. And please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will mean a lot for us. And if you can share it with your family and friends, that would be great too. And it's always good to practice together as a family, as a community. And collective consciousness, I tell you, it's a lot more stronger than just working individually. So we would really want all of you to practice with us so that we can practice yoga, practice fitness together as a community. So if you have any questions, you can drop your queries in the section below and we'll be very quick in answering all your questions, yeah. So thank you so much everyone. We really hope that you have a beautiful day. And namaste everyone.